First up, there's more mess at the Delhi airport, a virtual passenger mutiny. In fact, after 3 days of delayed flights, lost baggage and absolutely zero information from Air India, angry Air India passengers took over the announcement booth at the airport today. What's worse, the situation is expected to get worse tomorrow when Jet Airways and Kingfisher shift to the new terminal. Joining us is our aviation correspondent Karma Paljor, who's getting that piece of information for us. Karma, first of all, before I get to the larger question about why we are seeing this sort of mess at the Delhi airport, why did the passengers decide to take over the announcement booth?
Sure, I was told by my sources, Air India sources there who were attending to these people, that their flight was to London and it was already delayed by several hours. And then there was no information as to when the flight would go, what would happen to that flight. So some of the passengers were extremely angry. In fact, barged in, took over the information booth and then started shouting slogans against Air India and all. But now I'm told that Air India management, whoever was there, has acted for now, and they've started boarding for these people.
For the last 3 days, we've seen these pictures come out from the Delhi airport, Karma. Pictures of absolute chaos, passengers getting angry. And the impression that is going across is that Air India is dragging its feet. Why this chaos when you're shifting from one terminal to the other? There's a certain amount of planning that was required. By the looks of it, Air India decided not to go in for that planning.
Well, there are very important issues right now on the ground for Air India to answer, because these are larger issues. It's not just shifting from one terminal to the other. There are larger issues involved here. One, of course, is that the shortage of cabin crew. Now, Air India is clearly facing a severe shortage of cabin crew, nearly 300 short. Now, I am told that some of the cabin crew that I spoke to have told me that they've been working far more hours than the stipulated hours, because some of them are working 14 hours, 12 hours, which is against DGCA rules, and they should not be allowed to work like this. That is one of the main issues right now, why these things are happening. The second thing is training of staff. Now, when you're moving to an app, the terminal like T3, people have to be trained. I'm told that was also not done.